Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Sims 4 not launching issue quickly and effectively. If your game won't open, first run the game as administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Next, check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable them as they can block the game from starting. Now, open Origin or EA app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After that, repair the game by right-clicking Sims 4 in your library and selecting Repair to fix any corrupted files. Also, clear the cache folder in your Sims 4 installation directory to remove temporary files that can prevent launching. If you use mods, move the mods folder temporarily to see if custom content is causing the issue. Finally, restart your computer and launch Sims 4 again, and the game should open normally, letting you play without any launching problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.